Hello and welcome to Foldable Flight. This video is a continuation on my Origami Basics series. And in this video we're going to be talking about swivel folds. Now a swivel fold is a kind of a squash fold that is asymmetrical. So if you haven't seen my video on squash folds, be sure to watch that. But you can see where a swivel fold gets its name. So it's kind of this process of swinging layers from one closed position into an open position and then into a new closed position. And swivel folds can take a ton of different shapes. And I'll show you here how this one is made with another sheet of paper. Here you can see I've marked the creases that are involved in this swivel fold. And you can see there is a valley fold here, a valley fold here which runs under this layer, and a mountain fold. Now the thing about this is that I would say this is a fold that is led by the trailing crease. Now this is kind of my own terminology here, but I think there are some swivel folds that are led by the leading crease and some that are led by the trailing crease. Now what I mean by that is the way that you make this swivel fold is you'll begin by actually folding this edge to center. And that establishes this valley crease here and what will become a mountain crease here. And this is the unformed portion of our swivel fold, and it's actually the direction to which we are swinging. And that's what I mean by the leading crease. Usually the thing that is opening up, the hinge on which the paper is opening up, is the leading crease, and then the one that results is the trailing crease. But here you can see we have this existing layer already creased, and we're going to use that. We're going to open this pocket up and establish that crease all the way, and that's going to help us form this second crease. So I call this the trailing crease because we are swinging in this direction, and using our actual swing here is using that crease. Now let me show you another example. This one is a folding sequence in Plasma Z, one of my paper airplanes, and I'll show you the plane in just a second. And you can see our intention is to make a valley crease right here. Now this is one where I would say the leading crease is the one that you are actually swinging open on. So this crease does not yet exist. I'm just going to make it along this layer here by pulling this open and running my finger right along that layer. And this is really going to dictate the rest of the fold. Now, just like in the previous one, we're going to end up with two valley folds and a mountain fold, but they will be in a different place. So now I have these creases up here, which you can kind of see if I let the light catch it. Those are going to be other reference creases just for the sake of this one. And again, I said swivel folds can take many shapes, but as we pull on this crease, I'm going to flatten this so that this edge that is forming lands on this reference crease on this side here. And then I'm going to flatten the rest of this like so. And so you can see we've performed a swivel just like in the other one, but it was actually the hinge crease, the one we're pulling on, that dictates this one. And you can see now we have a valley crease here, a mountain crease here, and another valley crease here. So if you're interested in applying this information, you can do this folding sequence here by folding Plasma Z. Or if you want to try out another swivel fold, you can fold Circuit Racer here, which is actually a plane that boomerangs back to you. If you throw it correctly, it will fly around a room, come back to you, and you can even catch it again. So be sure to head over there and check those videos out. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome paper airplane content by clicking on that channel icon in the top right corner. And if you really like what I do, head over to patreon.com/foldableflight to support the channel, or to get these awesome downloadable templates, or head over to foldableflight.com. Thanks for watching, guys.